see me?
Yeah, come on in. Shut the door. How are you?
I'm alright. How are you?
We need to have a serious conversation about your revenue.
Okay.
I mean, your sales are not where they need to be. I mean, I look at you compared to the rest of the group, and you know, I've got people that have been here for 2 months that are doing better than you are. I mean, you're at $19,136. I mean, how do you justify that type of performance? I mean, you got any more excuses like you had last month?
I'm doing everything I can. I mean, I'm working my book of business. It's just they don't have difficult customers like I do. They don't have as many customers as I have to deal with.
You've been here for 5 years. 5 years. And you're putting up less than 20 grand? I mean, your threshold based off of tenure is at least 50.
We're not getting any new customers. All the customers I have are just not willing to spend money. The economy's not good.
I mean, this is terrible. I mean, we got to have a serious. Yeah.
Sorry, you got a minute?
Is it important?
Yeah. Can you come up for a second?
Yeah. Jim, seriously, this is terrible. You need to sit here and think about this for the next couple minutes while I go handle whatever's going on out there. Because when I come back, we're going to have some serious conversations on whether or not you should be here. No more excuses. That's all you've been giving me, okay? What's going on?
Computer virus?